Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for handmade soaps and bath products. Business easy and quick. So first type Wix on your search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Enter your business type or your website type. Handmade soap and bath products. So let's choose this for example. Now enter your store name, type any name you want, and let's continue. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical product, dropshipping products and services, and digital products. In person. Where would you like to sell? In person, and marketplaces and social media, and my mobile app and online store. So let's choose them all and let's continue. Now continue to dashboard and wait a few seconds. Now design your site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Now enter your information here: your business name, your email, and your address, and your phone. If you wanna add social link, here if you wanna add a logo. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example, this. Here if you wanna add page to your site. Wait a few seconds preparing the homepage design. Now your site is up and running. Your site is ready now. So if you wanna edit more your website, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website. Here it is the settings of your homepage. If you wanna add elements, click here. So the first element you have here is the text element. Here you find the theme text. If you wanna select any form or any size or the shape of the text you want to select on your homepage, here you find the titles and the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. If you want to upload image or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the theme buttons and the text and the icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and documents buttons, and the iTunes button. Here we find you find the payments buttons if you wanna add some payments buttons on your home page. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, testimonials, and team. And here you find the decorative elements. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, and here rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. Here you find vector art, featured, icons, animals, and nature, logos, and badges, and characters. And here we find the video elements. Here we find video box, video mask, and transparent video. Now let's move on to the boxes elements. So here we find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. Also here we find the galleries, the recommended galleries, the pro galleries, or the guide galleries, or the slider galleries, or the more if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. So here you find your menus. If you want to edit your menus, the shape or the size of the menus, here find the themed menus, the horizontal menus, and the vertical menus. And here if you want to add some anchor and in-page menus, and the last here is the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact forms. The contact and forms. Here you find the contact forms, the order forms, registration, donation, application feedback, and request and waiver and subscribe forms. All these is forms. Select anyone at any section you want, any option here you want. Select any one of these and put it on your home page at any place you want as you like. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here if you want to add normal maps or full width maps, here we find the chats, the Wix chat, and the line button. So let's move on to the video and music. Here you find the video elements. If you want to add some single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. Here if you want to add some audio players, Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows. Here you find the light boxes, and here we find the hover boxes and the tabs. Here we find the hover repeaters. Now let's move on to the list. Here we find the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add single video players, if you want to edit your audio elements, and here if you wanna edit your advanced elements section here, marketing tools and below dev mode, and here the last is the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you wanna edit, select some social bars from here and add it in your home page. If you wanna add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK or line link, and also here find YouTube if you want to add your YouTube channel link. So that's it. Now let's move on to the payment section. Here you find the payment buttons and the payment forms and the pricing plans and the store. Here the CMS if you want to easily manage your site content, the blog here if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. If you want to edit your store section, the bookings here you find the booking elements and the related elements. The last here is the person plans. Here you find the events if you want to create and manage events. If you wanna edit your community section or your design section. So that's it. Now let's move on to the if you wanna add some sections, select any section from these, and let's move on here. If you wanna add page on your website, so click here and select any page you want. Here the site menu. So that's it. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to customize your site design, if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions, here if you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business, and here if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix videos, here if you want to easily manage your site content, if you want to use the CMS, and the last is the marketing and SEO if you want to manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is click here publish and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.